This is a unique contraption that allows the use of two identical gears to produce a gear ratio reduction. The single yellow component is the input, while the two orange elements are the output shafts. You'll notice that during its motion, the yellow input rotates 2 times for each rotation of the orange part. This is accomplished by locking one of the gears to a connecting bar, causing it to rotate around its mating gear rather than rotating with it. Here's the final result. Everything here is 3D printed with the exception of the hot glue used to hold it together. And right off the bat, you can see that there are some issues during its course of motion. We have a point on the left side and the right side where the linkage bar, which is supposed to be parallel to the frame, it actually winds up leading a little and creating an angle. This isn't bad enough and severe enough to where it's actually binding up, but you can feel the resistance and it's definitely there. When you run it with a drill, it just blows right past it, but when we look at it with the high-speed footage later, you're going to see that it does induce some vibrations. And if this were really a loaded design and we were driving some kind of load, we may have a severe problem on our hands under high load conditions. So is this something that's worth 3D printing? Does it work or not? I would have to say no. This does not work very well. It needs a lot more precision than I gave to it, and I just can't see too many uses for it in its current state. Maybe you can do better. I've been inspired to learn more about mechanical design by retired mechanical engineer and YouTuber Thang010146. His YouTube channel has over 3,000 mechanical animations that he created himself, and he's constantly creating new ones almost daily. I've been a fan for a while now, and I would like to challenge myself to recreate some of his designs and 3D print them to see how well they function out of a printer. He's a genius. You gotta check him out if you're interested.